This is what we saw. Now, from that picture we saw, we have achieved the V, we have achieved the round, and we have achieved this twist. Now, what do we do next? Hi, Gideaway lovers. So, guys, today on Train with Giddy, we're gonna be doing a unique style. So, guys, what I just do these days is scroll past my colleague's page when I see any nice gele and make the tutorial for you guys. So, all you need to do is stick with me, keep sharing, and keep practicing, keep doing it the Giddy way. So, on today's episode of Train the Giddy way, we're gonna be doing a very simple and sweet, unconventional style. Now, like I said, we're going to be creating for this style. You can see it on the screen. Now, before you tie, learn how to interpret. From this style, we could see a V. And we could see there's a little bit of twist, then there's round. So, guys, that's what we're going to do first. Now, I want my V, the one at the top, to be the longer hand. Instead of putting this way, I'll turn, instead of doing it the normal way I normally do it, I'll turn it to this side because I'm going to be using a 70-30. A 70-30. I'll leave the one inside, then I'll folding one of the 50, make it 25 25. Now from here, I'm going to be taking my 5. You can see from here I'm going to be taking my 5. So from here this way is 30, from here this way is 70. Now I'm not going to affect my 30, so I'm going to take my pleats from my 70. So I'm going to make my pleats. I'm going to make at least 3 to 4 pleats or so. I can even do more, but at least for this time I can do at least 5. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know the length of gele I'm using to tie, I'm using a length 90. I'm using a length 90 by 60. Using a length 90. I'm using a length 90, sorry, a length 90 by 3 layers, length 90 3 layers. And this is a loom ashoke. So first of all, we are creating a V. We're creating a V, one ear closed, one ear open. So please, you help us hold here. Then we will get to dress this side. One ear open, one ear closed. Please, you dress properly. You dress your gele properly. Very important. You dress your gele properly. You dress your gele very well. Now, she will help us hold both sides. Hold both sides. She will help us hold both sides. Now we just come back here to check here properly whether it's well arranged, because arrangement matters a lot if you are doing it the giddy way. If you are doing it the giddy way, arrangement matters a lot. Arrangement matters a lot. So when we get to the back now, normally we say the short one up. We say the short one up. But in this case, since it's an unconventional style and the style require the longer V to a longer hand to be the V, to close the V. So it's gonna be the long one up, the short one down. But for normal gele, your normal brother is your fan or wherever you're tying the round or so. So you see, you pick this one, you pick this one. You can see the short one is at the down, the long one is at the top. So you do your normal picking, picking. Then before you tighten it, you bring this one backward a bit. Now you tighten. Is it okay? Yeah. And now what she will help us do is this. Now you can see one ear closed. What she will help us do is this. Please put both hands down. Please put both hands. Whenever you are tying V, please always watch that here it's smooth to help you a lot. To help you. Now, whenever you are tying V, you give her this one to hold with the other hand. No, with this hand. Now you hold this with this hand. Okay. Now we're about to close this other side. We're about to close this other side. What do we do? Now, we're closing it. Most time when you're tying V, you say, okay, am I to follow those lines from the back? Sometimes if I can, I follow them, but if the lines are not coming up properly, I make fresh lines. You get? I make fresh line. You understand? So you make fresh line. So this one now, I'm going to be pleating a lot, but pleating neat. Now most times people will ask, do you follow the pleats that came from the back? Yeah, you can follow the pleat, but most times if the pleats are not coming, and whenever you do your V, always allow it to be flat. Don't pack everything together. Allow it to be flat, relax, hand to be nice that way. Not just pack everything together. Now what I will pin it down here. Collect one, now pin it down here. You see? Collect one, pin it down here. So I'll just make some few pleats. Make some few pleats so that I'll be able to exhaust this on time. Okay. Now you see what we have here. You see this what we have here. Now we'll collect this from her. Now we're gonna collect this from her. Most times it determines if you're gonna use all, but we're gonna pick just 3 or 4 pleats. 3 or 4 pleats. We'll place like this. Hello? We'll place like this. 3 or 4 pleats. See, we'll place like this. We'll share from the middle. These are your 2 years. We share from the middle. Now, see, we share from the middle. We're going to raise this like this. You see, everything, the long one is here. Raise it, then bring it like this. This long one that is like this, you return it. You use the short one to twist around it. You get that short one that you twist. So what you do now, at the back, you pin. At the back, you pin very well. You have to pin very well. Pin it down here. Okay, so after pinning, you can see, okay, now you see the way it is now. We have created that spot. Now we have our V1. We have created this twist. Now we have this. What do we do with this now? We'll make pleats with it. We'll make pleats with it. One. We'll try to create, okay, one. Try to create our first pleat. 1, 2, like 3 or 4 pleats. Then you take it backward. Arrange it backward. 3 or 4 pleats. Please let me remove it. 3 or 4 pleats. Take it backward. Now you see, so she can actually hold it here while we turn. Now you see, we took 3 pleats now. We're going to still arrange it to the back. Just for this. We take it to the back. Okay, so we take it to the back. We'll drag and we'll pin. Guys, like I said, if you want to pin, you must always make sure it comes out. So most time when you see my own does not come out, most times it happens to me too. You get? It happens to me too. So I'm going to be pinning here. It will go. This is how I hold my pin. This is how much pin. Then it goes in. If there's any way you can zoom it, it goes in, go in, then I bring it back. Okay. So now what do? We start arranging pleats. We start picking. As we pick, we arrange it down on top each other. These are round pleats. When you pick, sorry. So guys, what we do, we keep picking our pleats. Make sure it's equal. Take our pleats. Please don't make two small pleats or two big pleats. And we're trying to create a round. Pick from the middle, arrange it this way. Pick from the middle, arrange it this way, arrange it. Pick from the middle, arrange it this way. Now arrange it. You can see what we're doing. Pick from the middle, arrange it this way. Now arrange here. Pick from the middle, arrange it this way. Then arrange here. Pick from the middle, you arrange it this way. You arrange here. Pick. So whatever way you know you can, it's easy for you to pick, but make sure you try to pick equally. Make sure whatever you do, you try to pick equally. Okay, she will just put her hands here for me while I try to arrange here. Now, okay. Now, look at it. This side, we try to arrange everything. Okay, might likely pin the rest. We just pin the rest. But see, we'll try to create pleats now. Try to create pleats. Now she will leave it while we dress our pleat. We arrange it now. Can adjust it a bit. Whenever you arrange, you can adjust it a bit. Now, we're not going to be picking, we're not going to be giving, dragging or we just drag just the top. We drag just the top, not everything like the ones at the top. You drag it, you arrange. And please note that it's not ugly you can drag. You can see there are different ways of giving it height. As I'm picking, it's moving. Now, you can see what we're doing. Please, whatever gele you are tying, always note that the height matters. The height matters. Okay? So, this is coming out very well. You can see because I took my time to make my pleats very well. That's why this is coming out very, very well. Very, very well. So I've checked it. You can see I'm not dragging. This is just your normal way of creating. That's why I normally tell people, if you have not learned round, you have not learned fan, please practice it very well. Those are like the foundation of ogili. If you can tie round very well, you just see after making your twist and everything, all you need to do is start making your round pleats. You understand? So that's why I normally tell people in my class, whenever I'm doing any online class, I always add round gele to it. The reason is this. At least anybody that say they want to learn gele from me knows me. You must learn round first. You get round is like the foundation of all. So when we get here, if you have been following me, you will know this one is what we use and drag wrap everything, then we'll pin. Wrap everything and pin. Wrap everything, then we'll pin here. We'll come back and dress it properly. But first, let's come back to our gele. Now let's see. You see our gele. This is the style. This is what we saw. Now, from that picture we saw, we have achieved the V, we have achieved the round, and we have achieved this twist. Now, what do we do next? This twist, most times, you might decide to pleat it or ruffle it. You can do whatever you want with this. But now, from the picture or so, look at what they did. Look at what they did. Just have to be careful so that, look how they did. They tucked everything. Look at everything like this now. Everything is like this. Now we tuck it in. Okay, so Just let me hold your hand. Just hold the trigger so that I won't have to. Now we have to tuck everything in. We tuck everything to the back. Now you can see. Let me figure so. You see? Tuck everything in. I do it neatly. Then you come to the back. After tucking in, you come to the back to pin. You come to the back to pin it, please. If you tuck it in, you come to the back to pin. That's very, very important. After tucking it in, you come to the back to. After tucking it in, you come to the back to pin. Very, very important. Now, when you do all that, all you need to do, the person is holding his her gele. All you just need to do is quickly pin. You get quickly pin. You pin. You pin. So you see? Now, this is what we saw. They tucked here in, which they did their twist from here. So please turn towards me. Okay. They tucked here in. Now, these are my actually I didn't cut this place, so it's giving it a design. The ear was tucked in, twisted here, tucked in. Then we pleated the round, gele, then there was a V. So you see, you should learn to interpret styles first before you tie. Learn to interpret styles first. Here, when we saw the style on the screen, there was a V, then there was the other part that they tucked in, so you get. So you make this other side very well, make this other side very well, and here you have it. There you have it. So guys, thank you for training the giddy way. Thank you.